Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Today actually I'm going to do some scalping on the gold exclusively. Let me just tell you something. Actually the timing right now in Dubai is 6 a.m. in the morning. And this is actually the good time to scalp the gold right now on the 1 minute time frame, since we actually don't have any much volatility on the gold at the moment and it's moving very slow. Therefore we are not expecting any sudden movements on the gold. By the way, this is like 2 a.m. GMT. So as you can see, yes, early morning, and today I'm gonna be busy actually afternoon, so therefore I decided that I'm gonna be scalping the gold. However, I need to explain to you, of course, the reason behind selecting my entries. So let me just tell you something. First of all, in order to understand this strategy, you need first to go to my channel and watch one certain video to understand this strategy for if you are a new joiner or subscriber to the channel. Just make sure that you are going here to the playlist on my channel and click on Forex Scalping Strategies. Once you open it, my friends, you will find right here this video, Forex. Learn this amazing and simple strategy to scalp gold on 1 minute candles. This is gonna be very insightful and informative. It's gonna tell you exactly what kind of a strategy I'm using here and why did I zoom out to the maximum, because let me just tell you, I really don't want to see any form of price action. All I care for is seeing the support and resistance levels. I don't care to see the candles. If I see the candles, actually I might be scared or changing my mind about my trade, or actually I might not feel comfortable about it. Another thing is, to use this strategy, you have to use exclusively IC Markets broker. You will have to switch from your broker to IC Markets. Why? Because IC Markets, I believe, is one of the very few brokers which offering this very tight spread for the gold. It's varying from 0 to 2 pips as the maximum, but however, in general, it is actually 0. As you can see right here, it is less than 1 pip. That's what you need actually to use this kind of a strategy. I have seen some comments, some people saying that their broker is offering 11 pips is spread for the gold, or 7 pips, or even 4. So these kind of pips actually not good for this strategy, since we are actually aiming about 15 to 20 pips from the gold. So actually almost like quarter of them is going to be wasted in the spreads. But with IC Markets, thankfully, this is not going to happen. So that's actually the reason why I'm not uploading this video much, because of course of the timing. You have to pick your time for this kind of a scalping, and actually I have to admit that I'm sometimes lazy to wake up this early. Anyway, let me just tell you right now which targets I'm gonna pick for my trades. So I'm waiting for the market to reach right now the strongest key support and resistance levels. We have right here a strong key resistance. We have right here a strong key support, and the next target is gonna be right here. This is previous strong key resistance level, and then the next target is gonna be exactly right here. This was, my friends, a strong key support level, and this was a strong key resistance level, which has been recently broken out from. The next target after that is of course gonna be right, let me just be accurate, exactly right here. I'm just looking at the other levels on the other side. Oh yeah, that makes more sense. Exactly right here. That was actually the strongest key support level right after that level of a support. Then of course finally, which is very obvious, this level of a support. Not to mention of course that right here we had a real level of a support, and we had right here the false breakout. Therefore, these are the levels actually that I'm waiting for the gold to reach. Once the gold or the price reaches any of these levels, I'm gonna place sell or buy order. For example, if the market gonna reach this level of the resistance, I will place sell order. If it's gonna place this level, I will place buy order. And of course, I will wait for the market to fall again, and then I'm gonna place another buy order right here. The main secret is of course about the take profit level, where you should actually take profit the level, because if I place here a buy order, but that's gonna be confusing because actually I'm expecting from the market to fall. Therefore, the take profit level is the main trick right here, because you cannot actually place the buy order right here, then set your take profit right here. You might actually end up losing this trade. It's gonna be in profit for a while, but you will end up in a loss. So you have to pick your take profit level wisely. Make sure that you're picking your take profit level to be at the nearest strong resistance to your entry. It has to be the nearest support or resistance to your entry. Once it reaches that target, close it and just wait for the market to fall again, reaching the new entry, and then the target or the take profit level from this trade has to be right here, because exactly right here, because this was the nearest support to our entry, and therefore that's gonna be exactly my take profit level. So as you can see, I have went in advance. But you know something? Actually, I really want to place a sell order right now. This price, actually, yes, I'm gonna do it. Yes, fantastic. I have opened the sell order. Now, let me just tell you something. Let me first of all set my stop loss to be exactly right here. Meanwhile, the take profit level is gonna be right here. Let me just make the stop loss similar to the take profit level. Alright, let me just tell you. What I just did right here is simply like that. The market has made a very strong bearish movement right here, and the reversal is actually very strong. This kind of price action is usually safe, and right now we don't see any strong support on the level right here. There is not a single support right here, which means the gold is gonna continue the fall. Look at that. Yes, indeed, it's gonna continue the fall all the way till it reaches that support level. This shouldn't be a safe trade if the market has created here a support. If the support was right here exactly where I have placed my trade. But I placed my trade in the middle between the resistance and the support. And as you can see, the market has made here a strong rejection to break out from that resistance, and check this out. Indeed, yes, it's falling, and we are running in profits. Fantastic. A proper analysis, a good reading of the market is what can provide you with a good profits. Anyway, as you can see, yes, I don't think it's even worth to pause the video. The gold is falling and eventually gonna continue the fall till it reaches our take profit level exactly at 1901.06. Anyway, it's falling again, and we are having so far $59 of profit. Yes, that was a proper analysis. Good reading. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once this trade is over. And as we can see, my friends, the gold is indeed, yes, hit the take profit level. I'm not gonna wait. $115. $115 we have made from this trade. I'm very happy because it happened exactly as I have expected, and we have a very good profit early in the morning. Fantastic. All right. Now, I said that I'm going to place a buy order, but I'm not gonna do it. Why? Because right now the bearish movement is stronger. Look at that, the gold is indeed reversing. My friends, this is really important. As you can see, I had the take profit level right here, but instead I choose to close the trade manually because I don't really want to risk anymore. I mean, I don't want to risk losing this money just because I wanted the other 0.1 pip. But let me just tell you something right now. I have said before that I'm gonna place a buy order right here, but I'm not gonna do it. The bearish movement is actually quite stronger, and I don't want to risk entering here with a buy order. I'm just gonna wait for the market to reach this level of a previous resistance, and right there I will place the buy order. Let me just show you something. If I draw here as a broken support trend line, we can see that with this strong bearish movement, the gold has indeed broken out from that support trend line. And I can actually bring this line a little bit up. And right now we are having a resistance level, and seems like the gold is going to be respecting this level. And with this very strong bearish movement, and we are having right here triple head and shoulders. Check this out. Even on the 1 minute candles, yes, that counts. We are having here head and shoulder pattern, which indicates that the gold is going to continue the fall. And yes, again, let's sell. Oh my goodness, $300. That's going to be fantastic if I make this amount. Now the beautiful thing here is I have just made $115, I think, from this from the previous trade. Now all I'm going to do is risking the same profit which I have made plus some of the profits of the last trades in this trade, but however I'm aiming this time $300. This is gonna be actually the biggest profit I made on live trading video. I usually don't do that, but this trade I have a good feeling about it. I really trust it. I think it's gonna be a very good deal, and I'm gonna do it. I will do it. I will just try to make $300. Actually, if I make the $300, that's gonna be enough for my daily profits needs, and I actually might stop trading for the day. If, oh my goodness, guys, it's falling indeed. Yes, I think there is no chance for the gold right now to rise at this point. The gold is falling. That's for sure. I'm very happy and excited. I don't really know why, but my heart is beating fast at the moment. I really want to make these profits. It's gonna be awesome to make my daily needs in just 15 minutes. I mean, we started recording at 6 a.m. Now it's 6:16, and I'm very happy. This is gonna be awesome. So I can take the whole day for free. I don't really need to keep trading the whole day. That's my philosophy in Forex. Once you reach your target, regardless if it's a loss or profit, once you reach your target, you should actually quit trading and just enjoy the day. Anyway, let's not celebrate because this trade might actually fall, might fail. I mean, there is nothing secured at all in Forex. So anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Guys, my hands is really itchy. Oh my goodness. Yes, we're making good profits right now. The account right now is about $3,000. 148, 144, 144. My goodness, that's a big profit. I really couldn't do it, guys. I'm sorry. I couldn't really do it. You have to try it yourself. Do live trading on your live account on YouTube and try to do it. You really cannot. You really want to secure the profits. Right now I have made the account above $3,000. That was my target. However, I still feel like the gold has a potential to be traded more. Right now it's actually 6:23 a.m. meaning we have spent about 23 minutes so far in this live trading session. So I'm thinking about the next trade. I want to reduce the lot size. I'm gonna make it 0.65, just to be fair. So regarding the next entry right now, actually I want to continue trading. I just want to make sure that I'm selecting my entries wisely. We need to select the levels properly. So right now, actually, the support level is exactly right here at 1901.51. That is actually a better support level to start again shorting the gold at. Therefore, I will just wait for the market to reach this level. Then I'm gonna open the trade with almost half of the previous lot size, and this time I'm gonna make it running a little bit more, since actually I'm risking less. We have made a very good profit so far. We have made about $250, which is really fantastic and great. And the account is already above 3,000. That is actually what I'm aiming, but still I think we can make some trades. So let me just now pause the recording till the gold reaches this level of a previous support. Alright, so as we can see, the gold is rising indeed, and I'm very thankful that I have closed my trade earlier. However, I want to apply right now something called the magic of trend lines. That is actually a video that can be found on my channel also. You can look on my channel and search in the videos to find the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2. So what I'm going to do is simply select this lower high to this lower high, just like that, and I draw here a resistance trend line, and all I'm going to do is simply drag the same resistance trend line and place it exactly right here at that resistance trend line. Now, what I'm going to do is I will wait for the gold to reach the exact same level of the resistance trend line, and after that I'm gonna place the sell order, and let's see what will gonna happen. Usually that resistance trend line right there is gonna be respected again and keeping its position as a resistance trend line. The gold actually might fall before reaching that level, but since we are actually trading the gold on the 1-minute candles, it's very important to choose the safest levels. That's actually a much more safe level, and I don't really want to risk any of the profits that I have just made. Therefore, I will just wait for the gold to reach that level. If it didn't, then I'm just gonna wait for the gold to fall here to reach the previous resistance, retesting the broken level, and then I'm gonna place the buy order. So let me just delete the other lines so it won't confuse any of you. Exactly. This line is gonna be increased exactly like that. So these are the levels where I'm expecting to place here a sell order and right here a buy order. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later once I open any of these trades. Alright, so actually the gold is really making a very strong bearish movement at the time. Right now we can see that I have dragged actually this resistance trend line to place it exactly right here at the previous support trend line. So we can see clearly that this support trend line has already become a resistance trend line right here, which means that most likely the gold right now has created right here like a shell, or actually like an armor. I don't know how to name it. It's something like the gold actually doesn't really have a chance to rise again above that level of a resistance. So I'm really considering right now to place the sell order. As you can see right now, as we are talking, the gold is rising again. Let's just wait and see what will gonna happen. Let's just wait, my friends, to the safest entry possible. The resistance trend line is gonna be placed back right there. No one changing the mind. All I'm doing is moving along with the market. I'm just looking at the market, how it's moving, and I'm just going along with it. So actually the gold was making a very strong bearish movement, but look at it, right now it's rising. So I can't really stick to my previous word and say, okay guys, I'm gonna place right now the sell order. No, it doesn't work this way. You have to be picky with your trades. You have to make sure that you are picking only the safest orders or trades possible. The safest one possible that I can see right now is to wait actually for the gold to reach this resistance trend line exactly right here. Anyway, I will just wait for it to reach it, and then I'm gonna place a sell order. Until then, let me now please pause the recording. Alright, so the gold right now has started the fall, and I believe it's falling upon the pressure from this support level. I'm gonna place a sell order right now. Now it's good time. Okay, so for the take profit level, it's gonna be placed right here. For the stop loss, it's gonna be placed exactly right here, risking the whole profit that we have made from the previous trade, which is good, by the way. You have to risk part of the profits that you have made in the last trade, but what I did right here is going a little bit extreme and risking the whole profit of the previous trade. Anyway, I have a good feeling about this trade. This resistance trend line can be placed exactly right here. I need to zoom in to show it to you. As you can see, we're having right here a resistance trend line, and we can expect from the market to reach the same level right here to create a resistance trend line number 2. Anyway, I just wanted to make sure that I'm not gonna miss this entry, and this support right here seems like it's really a strong level, and the gold eventually gonna continue the fall after the pressure upon the pressure from that support level. So anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright guys, as we can see, the gold has made here a $60 of profit, 54. I'm gonna close the trade right now. Let me just tell you something. The gold right now has reached this level of a support. There is a chance that the gold actually might hold this position, since if I move this resistance trend line and I place it right here, we can see clearly that this support trend line actually might be respected. There is a chance that the gold actually might make a bullish reversal. That's why I decided to close this trade right now. So this trade session has ended with about $300 of profit, which is fantastic. Actually more than $300. I have almost made my daily requirements, and I think I'm gonna stop trading for the day. Right now it's 6:43 a.m. so we have spent about 45 minutes trading. I think that's enough. I'm gonna right now go out and just do some activities and be free for the day. That is what I really do, and that's actually why I really love trading Forex. So let me just tell you, I know this session is not really to show off at all. Please don't get me wrong. It's not at all. It's not at all about showing off. All I'm doing right here is actually showing you how I do these trades, how actually I'm opening these trades, and the reason behind each and every trade, especially when we are trading the gold on the 1 minute candles. Keep in mind, to apply this strategy, you need to have two things. Number one, pick the right time. Pick the right time. Don't enter this, don't use this strategy anytime. Even me, myself, I don't ever use it with the UK session or when the market is actually moving in high volatility or we are having so many news in the market. Number two, use IC markets, the good broker right here to apply the gold. If you are using different broker, then make sure that your spread for the gold is very, very low. You cannot really apply this strategy, my friends, on the 1 minute candles if you have a high spread for the gold. And let me just say that if you guys want to appreciate this knowledge that I'm giving you, if you want to pay back the knowledge that I'm giving here for free, you can thankfully open the account in IC Markets using the link provided in the description below this video to support this channel to continue giving these videos. So anyway, we have today actually made a very good profit and I'm very happy and satisfied with it. So anyway, until then, I will actually be doing some live trading sessions on the next week. Hopefully I'm gonna be back to the 20 pips a day strategy and I'm going to show you some live trading sessions with these trades. So anyway, in the end, I hope that is informative to you and I would like to thank you for watching.